Alright guys, the Handyman here, and today we have us a dryer vent cleaning, and I'm pulling up to the location now. The description, the work order says it's at a veterinarian office. So, first time, but I'm pretty sure their dryers are stuffed with all types of pet hair and all types of unwanted clogs, so that's why they called me. And I'm not gonna lie, I had to skip through the video because I just went around the whole parking lot trying to find it, but we finally made it. The veterinarian's office, and we are inside where the stackables. So we gotta get those out the way so we get to the duck lines. So start off with this pillow, get that out the way. Now we're gonna pull this stuff out. It was a challenge getting back there, but we ended up getting those things out the way and getting to the duck line. This is me making some room back here. And there's 2 dryers to get to. So basically start off with dryer vent cleaning. You want the cleaning kit. It comes with the rods. And these are a lot shorter than the actual kit right there. Those are my longer rods, and obviously you need a drill. That's everything all together. And basically right now I'm just gonna show you guys how to do this. It's pretty simple. You put the head on one of the rods, and that's the brush that I used to begin with, and then just keep on connecting the extra rods righty-tighty. And once you got a good little amount, you go ahead and just, obviously in a commercial building, I'm not gonna go ahead and just use 2 rods. I'm gonna definitely need a lot more, but just for educational purposes, just to show you guys, like, basically it's just on the drill. And it just revs. And it's perfect for clogs. So we want to begin with taking off the duct line, or one of them out of the 2. Take that bad guy out. And go ahead and start feeding the line with the rod. You want to manually push it in there until you can't physically push it in there without you thinking that you're going to break it. So once you get to that point, that's when you start revving up the drill. But for right now, just start force feeding it manually. Now you might run into some angles that's going to be kind of hard, but just try to push through and just keep extending the rod as you go. Obviously you don't want to have the rod extra long and connect it. It's going to be a lot harder to force feed, so you want to force feed and then connect as you go. And we're running the drill right now, pushing it through the line. And basically just rev up your drill, try to go up and down, and then time to pull out, see what we got. As you see, it wasn't too much, so I wasn't too confident of how much it came down, so I just went ahead and just changed the head to see if that makes any difference. See if I could push through something. And basically the same process as the other rods. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I ran it and onto the second line. So I'm gonna run this line as well. And now that we got that off, we're gonna run that rod towards the same line, repeat the same process. So I ran the lines, and you see how long the line was. Brought out this ladder, definitely not long enough, so I had to go back to my shop and get the big boy. Not an extension ladder, but Definitely long enough just to get to that roof access point. And we made it. We're up here. Got my blower just in case I'm able to blow the duct line from the roof. I wasn't able to from the angle from the side, but not gonna lie, first time actually doing this commercial duct cleaning. Usually just residential, but I'm like, what does the flapper look like on a residential? And there you go. I found them. Very small flappers, and you see all the hair, so it's definitely this. So let's start removing these screws and sliding these bad boys out so we can clean the flappers and the duct line from the roof cleaner. And this is scared of heights. This is not my funnest part of the job here, but you know, gotta get the job done. I already signed up for it, so here we are. I'm kind of used to getting on the roofs from HVAC work, but I always hate it every time. Anyways, I'm gonna go get back to the roof. I had to go back down there to grab my drill, but got it now. Put it back to the roof. Oops. Can't lose those screws. Right here, I'm kind of trying to take it out to see if I can take out the whole assembly and blow dry, run the blower down there, but nah, it has a bunch of adhesive around it that's making it stick. So what we're just gonna do is just gonna run the line from the top again, clean out everything we can. And yeah, I ran the line up there, and final step is to check the duct lines, and Lord, it definitely needs a cleaning. I like to scrunch it up all like that. That way I could just clean it out manually. Seems like a hassle, but to me that's just the easiest way to clean your duct line. Running water is another easy method as well if you got a hose, but I didn't have access to a hose at the time, so this is easy right here. No biggie. A little dirty, but very effective. That's just from one duct line. Anyways, clean both duct lines and clean the plates up. About to clean the plates, which I did right here, and everything's good to go. That's how you do a dryer vent cleaning. The Handyman out.